In less than 10 minutes, you can set up a new method that allows you to potentially earn up to $150 per day using Canva and affiliate marketing. This method is entirely free, and you can begin implementing it today by following the steps outlined in this video. Be sure to watch until the end, as I'll also reveal a unique strategy for generating a significant number of leads at no cost. For those unfamiliar with Canva, it is a versatile graphic design platform with a vast library of pre-made templates and design elements. It enables users to create a wide range of visuals, including logos, social media posts, resumes, presentations, banners, ads, and much more. Additionally, subscribing to Canva Pro provides access to advanced tools and elements. Step 1 involves creating a free Canva account by visiting canva.com and registering. This step grants access to Canva's various templates and functionalities. Next, Step 2 involves signing up for a ClickBank account, a prominent affiliate marketplace offering thousands of affiliate offers across various niches. Alternatively, if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use an alternative platform like Digistore24. In Step 3, you'll select a product to promote from the affiliate marketplace. Once you've chosen your product, you'll need to generate your unique affiliate link. Step 4 involves creating promotional images using Canva. To do this, search for templates relevant to the product you're promoting, such as dog training in your case. Canva offers a wide selection of templates that can be customized with your preferred colors, fonts, and text. It's recommended to create 2 versions of your design, one for standard feeds and another for stories. Now, in Step 5, it's time to drive traffic to your affiliate offer. This method relies on free traffic sources, so no paid advertising is required. The first recommended method is using Pinterest, a platform known for its organic traffic potential. You can create a Pinterest account and start posting your promotional images with a title, description, and most importantly, your affiliate link. Posting consistently, at least 10 to 20 times daily, can yield quick results. The second free traffic source, as detailed in Step 6, is Imgur, a platform visited by millions of users monthly. Create an Imgur account, upload the promotional images you've created on Canva, and give your posts relevant titles, tags, and descriptions. Be sure to include your affiliate link in the description to redirect interested viewers to the product page. To sum it up, if you're eager to start your journey into affiliate marketing, here's a concise guide to get you on your way. First, create a free Canva account to access its design tools. Then, sign up with ClickBank or explore other affiliate marketplaces to find products for promotion. Once you've chosen a product, use Canva to design compelling promotional visuals suitable for platforms like Pinterest and Imgur. Consistency is crucial, so commit to sharing these visuals, complete with your affiliate links, at least 10 times a day on both platforms. If you'd like more insights and tips on such business opportunities, please let me know in the comments, and please consider liking and subscribing if you've found this video valuable. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more valuable content.